Are you making these common English grammar mistakes? I know you are. Today I will show you 20 grammar mistakes most Pakistanis and Indians make every day. And I will also tell you how to fix them easily. So by the end of this video, you will speak and write English more confidently and correctly. So grab a notebook, stay with me till the end and let's learn together. And hey, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Learn with Eamon for more lessons like this. So here we have some common mistakes which confuses people when they speak, write emails or give interviews. I will explain each mistake with an example, the wrong and right way with their explanations. Ready? So let's start. Okay, so mistake number 1. He do his homework every day. That's a wrong way to call it because with he, she and it, we always use does, not do. Remember, with I, we, you and they, we use do. But with he, she and it, we uses does. So the right way to say it is he does his homework every day. Mistake number 2. She didn't went to school. That's a wrong way because after did we always use base form of the verb, not the other one. Okay, because did already shows past tense. So the right way to say it is she didn't go to school, not went. Mistake number 3. I am agree with you. Agree is not an adjective, it's a verb. So no am. There's no need to call I am agree with you. Instead, we should call I agree with you. Mistake number 4. My brother is elder than me. Elder is used only for family members but as an adjective before noun. Older is used generally. It's like my brother is older than me, not elder than me. Mistake number 5. Discuss about the issue. Discuss already means talk about, so no need for about. Instead, we should call it discuss the issue, not about the issue. Okay, so mistake number 6. She is married with a doctor. The correct preposition is to. We don't need to say with a doctor, it's to a doctor. She is married to a doctor. Mistake number 7. He is good in English. We say good at. It's a skill, okay? So, he is good at English, not in English. Mistake number 8. I am having a car. Have for possession is not continuous. So, I have a car, not I am having a car. It's I have a car. Mistake number 9. He is my cousin brother. The word cousin already includes brother or sister, so extra word for not needed. It's he is my cousin. Not need to say cousin brother or cousin sister. It's he is my cousin. Mistake number 10. Return back my book. Return already means bring back. So return my book or give back my book. So mistake number 11. I have a doubt. In Indian and Pakistani English, people say doubt when they mean question. In standard English, doubt means you don't trust something. So use question in class, emails or meetings. So the right way to say it is I have a question or I am not sure about this. Mistake number 12. He is my real brother. So native English speakers just say brother or sister. Real is unnecessary. If you want to talk about adoption or step family, then say step brother or half brother. But when you are talking about your real one or the biological one, you don't need to say or you don't need to clarify it. It's just he is my brother. That's it. So mistake number 13. I am going to abroad. Abroad is an adverb, so no to before it. Same rule for home. Correct one is I am going home, not to home. So it's the correct way to say I am going to abroad is I am going abroad. Mistake number 14. Order for food. Order already means you are asking for something. For is unnecessary. Order for is used when you place an order on behalf of someone. I will order for you. That's like, okay, so the correct way to call it is order food, not order for food. Okay, so mistake number 15, open the light. It's a big no because we turn on or off machines, lights, and devices. For fans, AC, TV, etc., we use turn on or turn off, not open or close. So the correct one is turn on the light, not open the light. You can't open the light, you turn on the light. Okay, so mistake number 16, close the fan. That's the same one, same as above. Don't say open or close for appliances. It's turn off the fan. Mistake number 17, my all friends are here. In English, words like all go before possessive. Same with both, some, any. So the correct way to call it is all my friends are here, not my all friends. It's all my friends are here. Mistake number 18, she is my cousin sister. It's same as mistake number 9. Cousin covers both brother and sister, so no need to clarify it more. She is my cousin is enough. So mistake number 19, she is senior than me. After senior, junior, superior or inferior, use to, not then. So the correct one here is she is senior to me, not than me. Mistake number 20. I am looking forward to meet you. To here is a preposition, not part of an infinitive. So use a noun after it. Correct one is it's like I am looking forward to meeting you or I look forward to working with you is another example. So whatever you use words like looking forward to, remember to is a preposition. So use verb plus ing. So which of these last 10 mistakes did you use to make? Comment below your answers and let's fix them together. So practice these correct sentences and repeat them aloud daily. Watch the video again, note down these 20 mistakes and share it with your friends so they can speak correct English too. Remember, mistakes happen when we translate directly from Urdu or Hindi to English. Practice these sentences daily, read, listen and speak in English as much as you can. That's how you will improve. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Learn with Eamon for more amazing lessons. And comment below which mistake did you use to make. Let's learn together. So, see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.